So I started teaching myself to play guitar about 2.5 months ago, and I just wanted to come on here to talk about the things that have really helped me on this journey. And like, I feel like I've gotten really far these past couple months, and to be honest, like, I jumped right into it. Like, I bought this guitar from Guitar Center. It was on sale, like $75, and I just went from there, hopped right in. But I do want to start off by saying, like, there are some things that really help, especially if you're teaching yourself. So I really started off with just doing like chord progressions, or not chord progressions, just learning basic chords like E minor, A sus2, A major, and I did that by watching Marty Music's lessons on chords, and he was very helpful. Like, I drew all the chords and went over them by myself. Very helpful. And I really recommend, like, you do go through all that because you're building from the bottom, going up, so you can learn to play songs and you already know the chords. So it's very helpful. Second is learning the fretboard. It does not sound as hard as it seems. If you just watch a video about it, honestly, it clicks as long as you know, whatever. And just learning the basics of music. I've tried to learn a little music theory here and there. If you don't already know it, like, I would recommend doing that just so you get a good idea of what you're actually doing, because I don't like really doing something unless I know the basis of it, if that makes sense. Then, for the third thing that has really helped me is mobility exercises with your fingers, because, you know, you have to be all over the place, whatever. So this one I learned from a video. You just go up and down with each finger 5 times, and then you repeat that 4 times, so a total of 20 times that you've, like, moved your finger up and down. And that's going to help you get from, like, you know, one chord to the other, whatever. Very important to do that every day because it'll help your fingers get into the gist of it. However, you don't want to do that more than 20 times because you could get carpal tunnel or something, I think they said. And then another thing that's very important in my head to go over is learning strumming patterns, like up, down, or down, up, like, you know, just basic stuff like that. But yeah, those are the things that have helped me in this past few months, and I hope it is helpful for you too. Thank you for watching.